Today, we're talking garden roses. One of my favorite color combinations is pairing yellow with gray and silver. Here we've done that by showcasing two varieties of Alexandra Farm roses, Catalina and Lemon Pompon, and brought in a variety in textures of tropicals and some muted grays and reflective silvers. When designing this collection, I started my foundation with the Accent Decor sisal mesh, which really helps build out the container before we put our featured garden roses and other tropical flowers in the vessel. My inspiration for the tropical fusion linear design started with Princess Suki from Alexandra Farms. I played off the different tones of pink and creams and echoed that with the other components of the sun. Thanks for watching, and check out alexandrafarms.com.